Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to join the Temu Influencer Program. The first thing I want you to do is actually just launch the Temu app. And then I want you to come here, click on the search bar, and I want you to type in affiliate. And once you go ahead and search that up, you'll actually see this application process that you can go ahead and do. So you just scroll down here, you can click on get started. There's different ways you can do it as an influencer. So this is the Influencer Program, as you can see. You do get good commissions, abundant credits as well, and user download bonuses. All you will need to do is link your social media account. So you click here on Get Started, and you choose your channel type. So is it a social group, or is it a coupon or deal site? We'll choose that. So we can go ahead and do any of these right here. We can do Facebook, for example. And then you just go ahead and confirm here, click on Next. And then after that, you need to enter your email address, and you need to go ahead and do your account verification as well. And once they actually accept you, you'll need to link an authorized social media channel with your highest follower count. This basically lets Temu check your metrics. And Temu, once you go and submit your application, they'll typically take within 1 to 3 days, but it can take up to 7 days, and you'll be notified via the email address you enter here as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.